South Africa's financial services market continues to attract new entrants looking to bring alternative models and technology-driven solutions into an already sophisticated ecosystem. Turlov Family Office Securities, or better known as TFOS.com, entered South Africa early 2024 and is now building its presence in the country. While still relatively new to the South African market, the company positions itself as offering a distinctive approach within the broader investment and platform landscape. I'm speaking to Executive Director Oleksandr Tsyhlin to unpack who TFOS is, why South Africa, and why their model may be relevant to advisors, intermediaries, and the wider industry. Welcome, Oleksandr.
Hello, nice to see you.
So for the audience hearing about TFOS.com for the very first time, please share with me, who are you and what gap are you trying to fill in the South African market?
Okay, so first of all, we are FSA regulated brokerage company, financial service provider with category 1 license. And we provided services for investors to invest in international stocks. So we connected to American Stock Exchange via our partners. We have trading platform, which is unique, allows people to trade via their phone or via computer, and it's gets them access more than 40,000 instruments in New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, Euronext, and we are now connecting Hong Kong Stock Exchange, so it's all over the globe. Also, we have a crypto asset service provider license, so we combined in one platform all instruments from traditional finance and new digital finance.
Great. You arrived in South Africa early 2024. Why South Africa and why now?
We see perspective in this market. We understand that South African market has strong regulation. It's as FSA with FIS Act is mandatory continued professional development for market participants. And so it's a mature professional market. And also we see demand on this market for offshore investments. According to Regulation 28, it allows 45 investment to invest offshore. And we see now that it's less, and we see potential that a lot of money can be invested. And we are ready to propose the platform and the new instruments which will allow to do this investment. And we found this early 2024 before this South African was removed from public gray list, and before then S&P increased the rating. So we see this opportunity and hope it will be growth in the future.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. So we are seeing increasing consolidation in the advice and in the platform space. Is independence under pressure in your mind, and where does TFOS position itself in that dynamic? Are you competing with incumbents, or are you building something completely different? Sorry, that's a lot of questions in one.
Yeah. First of all, I need to mention that our company was founded by Timur Turlov. He's a billionaire. He's a founder of Freedom Holding. It's a public company which traded on Nasdaq with market capitalization around $8 billion as for today. And it's financial conglomerate which provided a lot of services, financial services in Europe, Central Asia, and TFOS. We use technology which backed by Freedom Holding, and our platform is infrastructure which supports certified financial planners, financial advisors, wealth managers. So we are like a layer between clients and financial advisors. So we help them to do their services good, and we provide them new possibilities to their clients.
Okay. So are you fundamentally a product provider, a platform, or an infrastructure?
First of all, we are infrastructure, because beside a platform, which is really great and technologically very advanced, we have also connections with different banks, brokers. So we have financial infrastructure which allows different payment rails and financial products, new products. like different bonds on different markets, like Kazakhstani market, which can be attractive. Yeah, so we combine both new technological platform and infrastructure.
Regulation 28 allows up to 45% offshore exposure, yet many portfolios sit closer to 30%. So do you believe South African investors are structurally under-diversified globally, and how should advisors be thinking about that gap?
Yeah, I think that it's under-diversified, and advisors looking for new partners who can propose them interesting ideas, new financial instruments like IPO, for example. Hong Kong Stock Exchange can be interested, or growth of AI startups on US market. So our platform allows them to expand their services and propose their clients more interesting ideas.
And with a two-pot system now in place and significant liquidity entering the system, there's capital looking for direction. Do you see global diversification or alternative structures becoming more relevant now in this environment?
Yeah, definitely, especially when the market is volatile, the capital looking for diversification can be gold, cryptocurrency, and other commodities which is not correlated with stock markets. So investors looking to diversify their risks and to build a balanced portfolio.
Recent events in the market have raised questions around platform risk and due diligence. When advisors evaluate a provider, what are the non-negotiables in terms of licensing, asset segregation, and insurance protection? And you started off by saying that you saw that South Africa is a well-regulated country, so that is definitely one of the attraction points for you.
Yeah, it's important that companies here which get FSP license from FSA, they should segregate their assets, and it's important rule. And also to be compliant with all regulation. Our company add additional protection for our investors, additional insurance, which is issued by Lloyd's, UK insurer, and it allows us, our clients, to have additional protections, $1,100 per claimant in case of bankruptcy of broker. So by regulation, by default in South Africa, there is no this protection for brokers. In US brokers, they have additional protections like $100,000. In UK, like £80,000. In South Africa, there is no, but we get a specific insurance for our clients, and this is one of additional layer of trust for our clients. And also the reputation of our founder is also very important. The net worth of our founder is 7 billion. He's number one, the richest person in Kazakhstan, and his name is valued a lot. And this he's founder of our company. That's why we should work, show trust and stability of our company. It's really important for us.
Would you like to touch a little bit more on the product that you have? So do you sell it as a separate product? Do they get it automatically? Maybe a little bit of detail on that product that you offer.
Yeah, we propose brokerage services which supports by unique trading platform, which allows our clients to trade stocks, crypto in one place, to see their portfolios with their phones, to generate necessary reporting for tax authorities. And also financial advisors, wealth managers can use their platform and manage the portfolio of their clients, see it in one place in convenient way. So yeah, so we are for end clients and for intermediaries as well. And we build for intermediaries because we have a lot of advisors in Europe. Freedom Holding represented in 20 countries in Europe, and this platform is built for advisors, for financial planners there as well. And we get these best practices and implement it here in South Africa. So I see that the level of development, certified financial planners, it's more than 6,000 here, and it's pretty big numbers. And we targeted this audience, and we want to build strong relationship there and to make trust the relationship and to propose unique, innovative products, because we have a really huge team in Freedom Holding, which product we use, and it's around 1,000 IT developers, and they invested a lot of money every year in development of their IT infrastructure. And and the company which is founded by Timur Turlov and CEO of Freedom Holding, we can use these products and deliverables from this huge IT team.
Finally, a relatively new entrant. What long-term agenda is TFOS driving in South Africa? Are you here to participate in the existing ecosystem or to reshape how advisors think about infrastructure, diversification, and client protection?
In the long-term perspective, we are planning to expand our services, to bring new products to the South African market. We collaborate now with stock exchanges. As we have some experience of launching stock exchange in Kazakhstan, we have ideas of new product which can be proposed on these stock exchanges. So we're collaborating now discussing collaboration with the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, with Cape Town Stock Exchange, and we're planning to propose this market new products and to develop our platform to show how it works with it, to bring educational materials on this market. We have a huge team of people who can do really interesting content. So we're building a content platform for clients, for advisors. So development, and potentially we're looking for extending our services for payment industry as well, because Freedom Holding has bank in Kazakhstan. We have banking technology, banking license, infrastructure, and we have a lot what to bring here on this market.
Bottom line, you are here to stay, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. Maybe a last message to the FAnews audience, the advisors and the intermediaries, the guys that you really want to reach. Maybe a last parting message to them.
Yeah. So I said it can be three messages. Number one, we're infrastructure, we're not competition. So advisors own their clients, we provide capacity. Number two, we protect client assets. We did additional insurance for our clients. We do segregation, and our reputation of our founders cost billions. And number three, we make independent practice stronger. So we support entrepreneurs and support independence. So we're not trying to acquire someone. We propose them to be independent, to do what they like, and we provide tools and services for that.
This was the most valuable part for me of this interview. If anyone needed to know anything, that was basically it. So thank you for your time, Oleksandr. It was really great to chat.
Thank you.
And we'll definitely have a few more conversations going forward. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.